Hi, my name is Tammy Faringer, and I'm the section head and fellowship director of dermatopathology at Geisinger, where I've been for the last 15 years. We have two fellows each year, and our fellowship started almost 15 years ago. We have over 35 graduates right now, and all of them have passed their exams on the first try. We have 9 faculty, and of our faculty, we have a good variety of backgrounds. 6 of them are dermatologists, and 3 of them are pathologists. They all have variable amounts of time that they spend in dermatopathology. At least 3 of us are full-time dermatopathologists, including myself. Most days of the week, they're going to be doing either surgical pathology or dermatology in the mornings, and then dermatopathology every day throughout the year. It's a requirement that trainees will do the opposite of whatever their original training was in the mornings for 8 months out of the year. The other 4 months out of the year, they'll be doing all dermpath all day. But they get to spend some time with all of our faculty members. We rotate through so that they spend time with everybody, and they get to sign out with all of them, sometimes with other learners and other fellows, and sometimes on their own, with one-on-one with the faculty. We have 9 faculty members that are all really fabulous, all various levels of training, or have been out of training for various time periods. And 2 of them are actually international experts or known experts in their field. Jackie Junkins Hopkins is in cutaneous lymphoma, and Jared Gardner is a soft tissue expert. So we have quite a wealth of knowledge in our department. All of them really, truly love to teach and are very committed and very engaged with all of our fellows. Geisinger Dermatopathology has an enormous faculty of diverse backgrounds that are very engaged with teaching. They are committed to our fellows. We have a huge number of specimens that we see with a broad variety of pathology, from inflammatory to neoplastic. And we also have a molecular pathology that just started to advance in our pathology department, that we have next-gen sequencing, an extensive array of next-gen sequencing available now. That is very important for our teaching of our fellows at this point in time. We have a state-of-the-art lab that's less than 10 years old, that is 3 stories attached to the hospital, and we have all the newest opportunities in surgical pathology.